Hello everyone, I am Dr. Alok Agrawal and I will be taking your course Internal Combustion Engine having course code ME501. So in this class, in this video, I will be discussing about the scheme, the syllabus and something related to the internal combustion engine that is very important. Okay, so let us start with our course scheme. Okay, so the subject code is ME501 and the subject name is IC engine, which is also known as internal combustion engine. It consists of theory as well as practical. Theory is further divided into three parts. First one is end-sem exam, which is of 70 marks. Then there will be a mid-sem exam, which is of 20 marks, and 10 marks weightage is given to the assignment or quiz. Okay, practical exam consists of 50 marks. Out of that, 30 marks will be of end-sem exam, and 20 marks depends upon the lab work that you have performed during the semester. So in total, the subject consists of 150 marks having credit point 4. Now the prerequisites of this subject. So before going into the subject, what are the various subjects that you have to study, that you have to know about in before studying this internal combustion engine? So first one is basic mechanical engineering. Then you have to know the elementary knowledge of engineering thermodynamics, and then you have to be a little bit knowledge of fluid mechanics. So these three subjects are necessary to know, to understand the internal combustion engine. Okay, so already three subjects have been studied by you in first semester, third semester and fourth semester. So it will be easy for you to understand this subject, that is internal combustion engine. Now the application of this subject. So this subject we will study gas engine, which will be useful in industrial power generation. Diesel engine is everywhere in automotive, railways and marine. Then gas turbine, which is used in aircraft. So all these are the applications of internal combustion engine. Now what is the importance of this subject? That is very important, because whatever we are reading, there has to be some importance, otherwise there is no use of reading those subjects. So the development of internal combustion engine helped to free man from the hardest manual labor, made possible the airplane and other forms of transportation. So the most important thing about this internal combustion engine is that it reduces the manual power required, labor power required to move from one place to another place. And this is the biggest advantage of internal combustion engine. And we are using this internal combustion engine in our daily day-to-day routine life, and because if it is not there, it is very difficult for us to move from one place to another place. Again, this subject consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is all about introduction to IC engine, internal combustion engine. We will see the various type of internal combustion engine. We will see the ideal cycle analysis, the real cycle analysis of internal combustion engine. We will also study various properties of parameters of internal combustion engine. We will study heat balance sheet, performance characteristics of SI and CI engine. We will know a very important topic, that is firing order. We will study firing order for multiple cylinder engine. Okay, in second unit it will be about the combustion of SI engine. Here we will study stages of combustion, what is abnormal combustion, that we also known as detonation, and we will know about the salient feature of various type of combustion chamber. Third unit will be about combustion of CI engine. In this unit, we will study the various stages of CI engine, that is compression ignition engine. We will study the various types of combustion chamber used in CI engine. Then we will go to the carburation. What is carburation? We will study various type of carburetor. We will also study the fuel injection system in SI and CI engine in this unit. So this third unit and first unit is quite big. Okay, it will take more time as compared to other 3 units. In fourth unit, we will study about the fuels. What are the various types of fuel? What are the desirable characteristics of fuel? Rating of fuel, how we rate the fuel, that is petrol or diesel, or we can say that IC engine, CI engine fuel and SI engine fuel. What are alternative of this petrol and diesel? We will know that there are various other fuels available which can be alternative of petrol or diesel fuel. And finally, we will study the analysis of combustion product. Final in unit 5, we will study supercharging and turbocharging. Here we will see what is supercharging, what are the various methods of supercharging, what is turbocharging, how the engine can be modified for supercharging, and finally we will see the cooling and lubrication in SI and CI engine. So this is all about the syllabus of the course ME 501 internal combustion engine. Then what is the course objective? See, while studying this course, you will be able to, we will discuss the overview of internal combustion engine, their classification, application, operation performed, and various process involved in this internal combustion engine. We will perform theoretical calculation to obtain thermodynamic efficiency and to calculate the losses which are occurring in internal combustion engine, and we will also calculate various other engine parameters, operating parameters. We will study the combustion phenomena in SI engine and CI engine. We will study the types of fuel used in SI engine, the types of fuel used in CI engine, and the various fuel supply system which is required in internal combustion engine. We can again able to explain the effect of exhaust emission on human health and various pollution norms we will discuss in this course. Okay, and finally we will understand the phenomena of supercharging in IC engine, because supercharging is a very important phenomena which is generally used in racing cars or aircraft like that. Okay, so this will be the course objective of our course ME 501. Now, what is the benefit of studying this course? So, in GATE point of view, I can say that in each year there will be a 2 or 3 marks question will be asked related to this internal combustion engine in GATE. Again, while you face interview, you will be asked, definitely you will be asked question related to this topic, internal combustion engine, because whether the interviewer is a mechanical engineer or not, but he must know, he was knowing what is internal combustion engine, because he was using this internal combustion engine in his daily life in form of either bike or car, that is automobile. So he will definitely ask some basic questions related to this subject. Then this subject represent you as a mechanical engineer, because there is a very slight difference between mechanical engineer and automobile engineer. Automobile engineer is a part of mechanical engineering. So you should know this IC engine to represent yourself as a mechanical engineer. Now the important books that I will refer and I will advise you to refer during the course, that is, first one is V. Ganeshan, Internal Combustion Engine. This is the most important book, which is very precise book and to the point book. Next, you can use Internal Combustion Engine by J.B. Haywood. You can also use Internal Combustion Engine by Taylor, and Automotive Engine Theory and Servicing by Elderman and Mitchell. Okay, so these are some books, but the most important book related to your course is V. Ganeshan, Internal Combustion Engine by Tata McGraw-Hill. Okay, these are the important books. You can take this book from library. You can read those books after every lecture of mine. Okay, thank you very much. This is about the introduction of the subject. In next class, in next video, I will be sharing with you our first lecture on what is heat engine, what is heat engine, and the classification of heat engine. Thank you.